Greetings to all. I am Tharun Sreedharan of Class 10A, here to explain about alternative energy resources. First, we are going to see about fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are found inside the Earth's crust. They are formed by anaerobic decomposition of organic matter over millions of years. Fossil fuels are exhausting fast, so we need to conserve and look for alternative. Steps to conserve coal and petroleum energy resources. Coal is used in the production of electricity. If the electricity is saved, it will in turn reduce the use of coal. Use bicycles for covering short distances instead of scooters and motorcycles. Using pressure cookers can reduce the consumption of LPG while cooking food. Motor vehicles should be designed with fuel-efficient engines to increase efficiency and also reduce air pollution. Solar energy is the energy we obtain from the sun. Sun is the primary energy source. Solar energy can be converted into any other form of energy. Now, I am going to explain about uses of solar energy. Solar energy is used for street lighting, traffic signals, water pumping, battery charging system, etc. It's also used in artificial satellites and probes. It provides radio and TV transmission to remote areas. It's also used in calculators, electronic toys, and watches. The next thing we are going to see about is biogas. Biogas is the mixture of methane, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen. It is produced by the decomposition of animal and plant wastes in the absence of oxygen. The adjacent diagram shows how biogas is produced. Now we are going to see about uses of biogas. Biogas is used as fuel for cooking. It is also used to run motors and pump sets. It is an excellent way to handle bio-waste and sewage material. Wind energy. The kinetic energy possessed by the wind due to its high speed that can be converted into mechanical energy by wind turbines. This is known as wind energy. This energy can be converted into any type of energy. Uses of wind energy. Wind energy is free, eco-friendly, renewable source of energy. It doesn't cause any pollution. Expenses on periodic maintenance is low when compared to other power sources. Water energy. Harnessing the energy from flowing water can be used to produce electricity. The technique to harness the water energy is called hydropower. Water energy is also called as hydroenergy. The adjacent diagram shows that how electricity is produced in the hydroelectric power station using this principle. Tidal energy. Tidal energy is the energy obtained from the movement of water due to ocean tides. When the tides hit the turbines rotate and convert the tidal energy into electric energy. The adjacent diagram shows how tidal energy is converted into electricity in the tidal power station. Advantages of tidal energy. Tidal energy does not produce any pollution. It does not need any fuel and does not produce any waste. Tides are predictable, so tidal energy can be produced at any time. Water is denser than air and therefore can generate electricity at lower speeds than wind turbines. Now we are going to see about India's achievements in the field of renewable energy sources. India has achieved its target of achieving 40% of its installed electricity capacity from non-fossil energy sources by 2030 in November 2021. India stands at fourth position for overall installed renewable energy capacity in the world. India is among the top 3 nations in the world which are leading the global renewable energy growth. India is reaching the top 5 countries of the world in terms of new and renewable energy. This graph shows how renewable energy production in India is increased from the year 1980 to 2019. Hydro energy is increased from 42 terawatt hour to 160 terawatt hour. Wind energy is increased from 0 terawatt hour to 62 terawatt per hour. Solar energy has increased from 0 terawatt per hour to 43 terawatt per hour. Biomass energy has increased from 0 terawatt per hour to 41 terawatt per hour. This shows how India has developed over years in the field of renewable energy production. At last, I thank our beloved principal ma'am and science teachers for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.